Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my vlog. Say hi, Piper. There you go. There's her hi. She's getting really good at crawling. Oh my gosh, it's scaring me. It's like I have to baby proof this house super fast. Okay. So I thought I would vlog because I thought it would be really fun to do a photo shoot for her 7th month photo like I've been doing in the past. And I was trying to figure out what kind of theme should I do for a summer photo. So I thought and I'm like, oh my gosh, I was obsessed with doing lemonade stands. I thought it was so fun. So I thought it would be cute if we did a lemonade theme, lemons theme. So I went to Target and I picked up a lemon outfit. Here you go. So it's a pink and yellow tank top with a pink bow. And then pink shorts. And I think I'm gonna do this one, but it does have a pink t-shirt and it says Mom's Main Squeeze. I thought that was really cute. So I'm gonna do this. And then I picked up lemons. So here we go, real lemons. I didn't know how many I need, so I picked up a few. And then, not for this photo, but for her 1 birthday, I thought this was so freaking adorable. Like, oh my gosh. It's a little crown. And it has gold and gray, and it's a headband. And oh my gosh. It fits her right now. But how freaking adorable is that? Piper. She's looking at all the lemons. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look how cute you are. Cute. Hey. Hey, Piper. Let's see. Look how cute you are. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I am going to have her play. I'm going to put this away so we don't break it. I'm going to have her play with her blocks and a few other toys. We have some books out. And I'm going to get this photo set up right here. I normally do it there. I'm trying to be a little quiet because Brent is sleeping in the other room. So if I'm like really quiet, and it might seem like I'm like not excited, but I really am. I'm super excited to do this. I think it's gonna be so fun. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun. So I was thinking maybe cutting a couple in half and maybe giving her one. Oh no, I don't want it to be wet. Okay. That looks pretty good. That looks like a 7, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go get you dressed and then we'll show everyone what you look like. is a little crabby this afternoon. She just woke up and she's been crying for like, what, 10 minutes straight. So it is that time for teething, I think. So I brought my freezed hand, the pink thing. So that's frozen and she's sucking on it and she loves it. Brent's playing some Diablo. I'm just sitting on the floor. I'm gonna eat the brownie I made 2 days ago. And drink some more water. It's very hot today. Hot, hot, hot. Oh my. Is that good? You're okay. You're okay.
Oh, you, I'm out of spirit. Just farming grifts. I'm pretty much just doing whatever rift grifts because I need souls.
Brent, look at her. Watch, watch. Oh, she stopped.
It is.
Piper. Oh! She fell. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I ended up switching them off.
Hey. Hey, monkey.
Let's do a State Crusader.
You okay? You good?
Pretty good.
I think she's good.
Bosses and
What are you doing? What are you doing? She is on the move, guys. So I wanted to show you what I did with the lemons for right now. I just put it on my display. And I just thought it looked kind of cute. Right? That looks cute. And then I wanted to show you. Oh my. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Come on. She got mad because I was one way. Come, come, come. Come, come. Come over here. We're a little cranky, as you can see. Come here. You're doing good. Come on. Good job. Good job. Say hi. Say, I love you. I'm sorry that I'm crabby. Are you okay? Okay, okay. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys my coffee table decor. So, I got that candlestick from Hobby Lobby. I don't know, I can't remember if I've shown you guys yet. So I got that to go in my tray. And then I actually got these books in the mail, and they're magazines, but they're like super thick. So, and they're RH brand. It's a very high-end, very luxurious brand. You guys probably have heard of it. It's all furniture, decor, and stuff like that. Same as this one. I really like this one, but I really like how bright this one is. So I just have it kind of crooked, and that's how I have it all displayed. Do you not like it? Hey. 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 Okay. I'm gonna attend to her. I think she's ready to eat. wants to talk. Do you want to talk to them? Say how your day, how your week is. Yeah? Yeah. Hi. Okay. We'll be right back, guys. Let's see if this helps her crabbiness. Are you ready, baby girl? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh, now she's trying to grab him. Oh, oh. Look at her trying to grab him. They smell good. It's all in your hair. Let's see if she'll grab it. Piper. She's looking at the one that's far. Oh, oh, I thought she saw it. Good job! Yay! Oh, she's so smart. It's a little later and it is thundering out. And you can just hear the rumbles and you can hear the storm coming. I wonder if you heard that. I'm curious. And here, so Piper and I are just playing with toys now. We're done with Bubbles, and I am watching a old TV show called Charmed. The old one, not the new one. I finished the new one. It was pretty good. I had to get over that it's not gonna be the same as the old one. It's way different. There's a few little, kind of like, oh, okay, that was in the old one scenes, but it was really good. I would give it like, I'd probably get a 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. But I'm watching the old one now just because it brought back a lot of memories because I used to watch it when I was younger. So we're just playing. We're going to, not now, let's see what time it is. It's 4:13 and it was just sunny like 45 minutes ago, and now it's like really dark and it's trickling now, but it's going to start downpouring here soon. So I'm pretty sure I don't know if we're gonna have a tornado, but the warning just went off. You know that large warning thingamajiggy? It's going off again! I'm like really scared right now. Here, I want to show you outside. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just put Piper down to bed. I don't know if you can see her, you can see her a little bit. I am going to put a movie on and eat some ice cream. This is the first time I've ever tried this. It's the Barley's 2-in-1 Oreos and Chip Ahoy. And I love both of those cookies, so I'm super excited. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and we will see you in the next one. Bye guys.